Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I just want to show you how to create this tracking text inside After Effects. Just you pick up your PNG text and then you track it inside After Effects, and then you track it with camera move. So just like this. If you like it, stick around. For this 3D map pop-up, so let me drag my clip here on this timeline. Yeah, this is the clip I'm going to use. Man, this is pretty clip, guys. I love this frame. Okay, so now go here on window, then find this tracker. So now you can go here and then click on this track camera. Then you have to wait a few little bit to track your camera, depend how long your clip is. Okay, it's done. Okay, guys, you see I got some more points on my clip. You see it's many, it's very good points. So now I'm going to find the point which I can use for tracking my text. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, this is pretty. Let's click on it and then click here on create solid and camera. You see I got some solid stuffs. You see it's going with my point. So yes, this solid is tracking is going with my clip, where the clip is going, because it affects some those points. Okay, so now I come here on project and then I have to drag this PNG image called the London. Okay, so I just want to track this image as a possible. So now let me scale it. Okay, so now click here for 3D dimension. Okay, already this text I got some 3D dimension. Open up and then go here for this XYZ rotation. I have to rotate depend how I just want to rotate my text, guys. Okay, so and then close it and then click on parent link, and then you have to link with this track solid one. Okay, so my god, what is going on? So let me link again. So now click here on, yes, you have to link with this track solid one. Already you see, guys, is already track my solid effect. Yes, or solid what. So now open up this text, and then you have to use again this XYZ rotation for rotating your text until you will reach how you want your text to be rotated. So let me rotate it as a possible, because I just want to put it up for this bridge. They have to scale it, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, this is cool. And then after scaling, so now I can move up for this on the top of this bridge. Yeah, and then you have to pull on this aside. So now close this layer, and then okay, open up again. So I have to use this blue or this red, this green. You have to move left and right. Yeah, maybe this is the good side. So and then let me pray and let's see how it is. But before you pray, you have to mute this track solid. So when I pray, you see, guys, this is how my effect is. This text is tracking with this clip above this London Bridge, guys. This is a beautiful guy. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. I just want to know what you think, if it is good or if it is bad. Yeah, man. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next video. Peace.